Hey, what's going on? My name's Mike Bowen. This is my brother Steven, and we own S&M Cleaning Solutions. And today we're going to teach you how to take apart and clean your hinged glass panel Pella windows. Yeah, I say that 5 times super fast. All right, here we go.
So what you're going to want to do first is locate the small notches inside the window casing. These notches are your unlocking mechanism.
Gently insert a small flathead screwdriver into the notches.
Work your way around the frame, gently nudging each notch until the glass panel starts to come free. Pause before removing the glass. There's often a black clip or latch on top of the window. Once unlatched, you're good to take the window out and clean all the panels inside and out. And once all the windows are clean and dry, it's time to put it back together. Carefully place the glass into the frame, aligning the edges. Press gently to engage all internal notches until you hear them snap back into place. And that's how you disassemble and reassemble these Pella windows.
If you felt like this video was helpful, like, subscribe, and follow the channel.